Let's see us 20.
Tzu Chi volunteers visited Kantet Gon Monastic Education School to assess the situation and understand the abbot's needs. The school is home to around 400 boarding students, including children displaced by domestic conflict and those with disabilities unable to attend regular schools. Many parents also choose to send their children here to receive moral education in a Buddhist environment. The abbot said that there is currently an urgent need for stationery, as well as for rice, cooking oil, and classroom facilities. While most dormitories at the monastic school have been repaired, the dormitory for novices is still under renovation. For now, the novices are sharing limited space and some students have to sleep in classrooms at night. The school urgently needs to build more classrooms so that students can resume learning in separate classes. Tzu Chi has started building 4 modular classrooms at Kantet Gon Monastic Education School, due to be completed in 2 days. Volunteers also distributed rice and cooking oil to last the school 6 months. Y.E.C Monastic Orphanage is a fully boarding orphanage with 24 teachers and 380 students. It also provides shelter for 30 infant orphans. 3 children were injured when the floor tiles at the school collapsed during the earthquake. The old school building was also damaged and has since become unsafe.
Siri Asia, Kopi Kalino, Delhi Tour, and opponent the John of Soup on the Araboli. Agani, the Illusionaria, the Rodo, Sunday Sound Lady, a Sound Lady, Sound Luchin, the Basro, Zeno, Atlantic and go, one hour.
The school is currently constructing temporary classrooms to accommodate the senior students. After conducting an assessment, Tzu Chi decided to support the orphanage by building 4 student dormitories.
Saudi, John, Besson, Don Layade, Sunday Sound in it, Don Yade, Galidi, a sound in it, Don Juliade, a Terrani, Udino Pagabo, Julie Mare, Money Davare.
I think I run the Maru Sati down on the net, Khalid and Gary, a salmon in it, teacher variation. Oh, a night don't in Malaysia, Marua, Louis, a summer than Yaro, a sound or a sound not near us. Ilo, a good night to run the Maru to the Malaysia. A good a sound, South Libya, and Maru and night.
Education cannot wait. With stable classrooms and safe dormitories, children can learn with peace of mind.